Assalamu alaikum. Visit visa. How to apply family visit visa for people who are living in Saudi Arabia for their families. Visit visa. Is the website. Then you have to choose this one. Okay. Choose this one. Taqdeem. You have to click this one. No need to enter any information for border number. This is for border number. No need, no need to fill anything. Some people put 00 or something. No need. Keep it empty. Rakam Tashira Dakhul Mahtaj. No need. Then you have to click Izafa. You have to add one by one Izafa.